Welcome to the journey of the 10 best places to visit in Georgia. Georgia is a transcontinental country located at the intersection of West Asia and Eastern Europe. It is culturally and geographically more European than Asian. With the peaks of the Caucasus Mountains, rolling semi-deserts, lush inland forests, stony Black Sea coastline, medieval fortresses and monasteries, vibrant city life, welcoming culture, affordable prices, excellent and cheap transportation options, delicious food and drink, Georgia is perfect all-rounder. And also Georgia offers outstanding rafting experiences, skiing in the mysterious mountains, and many more other options to attract adventurous travelers. So come join us. This is Scenic Hunter's fascinating journey to find the 10 best places to visit in Georgia. Number 10. Kakheti. Enter a land where vineyards stretch to the horizon, and history mingles with the sweetness of wine. Welcome to Kakheti, Georgia's renowned wine region. As the sun bathes the Alazani Valley, the beauty of Kakheti unfolds. The hilltop town of Signagi, wrapped in cobblestone streets and medieval charm, offers a glimpse into the past. Kakheti's winemaking legacy thrives, inviting you to taste the flavors of the land. From centuries-old qvevris to modern cellars, the art of winemaking is a part of daily life. But Kakheti isn't just about wine, it's a tapestry of culture and nature. The Gremi Citadel stands as a testament to Kakheti's historic significance, while the landscapes range from the dramatic Gombri Pass to the serene beauty of Lake Lapota. Step into Kakheti's embrace, where each glass of wine tells a story and each corner unveils a new facet of Georgia's rich heritage. Discover Kakheti, a land where vineyards yield tales of tradition, and where the rhythm of life is intertwined with the art of winemaking. Number 9. Uplistsikhe. Step into a world sculpted by time itself. Uplistsikhe, an ancient rock-hewn town that paints a vivid picture of Georgia's past. Carved into the rocky landscape, Uplistsikhe is a masterpiece of human ingenuity. As you wander through its labyrinthine passages, you'll trace the footsteps of generations that once called this place home. The amphitheater and temple caves stand as silent witnesses to forgotten rituals and celebrations. The secret tunnels and chambers hint at tales of mystery and intrigue. Perched above the famous river, Uplistsikhe's vistas unfold like a living painting, capturing the heart of Georgia's rugged beauty. Explore a realm where history breathes through every stone, and where the echoes of the past invite you to be a part of an age-old tale. Embark on a journey through time in Uplistsikhe, where the whispers of antiquity resonate in the rock-cut chambers, and the landscape unveils the essence of Georgia's heritage. Number 8. Batumi. Imagine a city where the Black Sea's embrace meets vibrant urban energy. That's Batumi, a coastal gem that captures the essence of relaxation and adventure. Glistening skyscrapers stand in harmony with Batumi's historic charm, creating a unique skyline. The Batumi Boulevard, a lush coastal promenade, invites leisurely strolls as the waves whisper tales of the sea. Batumi Botanical Garden, a lush Eden perched on a hill, offers a symphony of colors and scents. From exotic plants to stunning vistas, it's a journey through nature's artistry. Batumi thrives as a cultural hub, hosting events and festivals that celebrate Georgia's artistic spirit. As the sun sets, the city's nightlife awakens, inviting you to dance, dine, and create memories. Step into Batumi's embrace, where the sea's melody and the city's rhythm merge into an unforgettable symphony of experiences. Discover Batumi's coastal allure, where the sea's serenity and the city's vibrancy create a harmonious melody of relaxation and excitement. Number 7. Mestia. In the cradle of the majestic Caucasus Mountains, Mestia orchestrates a harmonious blend of ancient heritage and modern adventure. Set against the striking silhouette of defensive towers that grace the skyline, Mestia's cobbled streets echo with tales of resilience and history. This living canvas portrays the essence of Svan culture through every stone and secret alleyway. Yet, Mestia is not only a realm of the past. It beckons to explorers and nature enthusiasts, offering a medley of hiking trails that unravel awe-inspiring vistas and hidden treasures. As you traverse these trails, you'll find yourself immersed in the embrace of untamed nature and invigorating exploration. Mestia, a symphony of bygone tales and contemporary discovery, promises an experience that will resonate in your heart long after you depart its breathtaking landscapes. Experience the timeless melody of Mestia, where the past and present harmonize in a captivating journey through history and nature. Number 6. Kutaisi. Picture a city where each cobblestone whispers stories of ancient legends and echoes of time. Welcome to Kutaisi, a living tapestry where history and myth converge in a mesmerizing dance. As the sun sets over the Rioni River, the Bagrati Cathedral takes center stage, its silhouette an ode to bygone centuries. UNESCO's embrace of this masterpiece only enhances its allure. Venture further to the Gelati Monastery, a treasure trove of frescoes and tranquility. But Kutaisi is more than a relic of the past. Its markets buzz with life, its streets hum with activity, and the Caucasus fountain weaves a thread between the city and its mythical roots. Kutaisi beckons you to step into its narrative, where ancient whispers and modern beats harmonize. It's a journey that unravels the essence of Georgia's history, culture, and the magic that binds them. Explore Kutaisi, where stories etched in stone and myths woven in the breeze converge in an enchanting portrayal of time's embrace. Number 5. Gudauri. High in the Caucasus Mountains, Gudauri emerges as a playground for thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. A haven for winter sports, Gudauri transforms into a snowy wonderland during the colder months. Its slopes offer exhilarating skiing and snowboarding opportunities, while the hula skiing adventures promise an adrenaline rush like no other. But Gudauri's allure extends beyond winter. As the snow gives way to lush landscapes, hiking trails invite you to explore the region's breathtaking beauty. Paragliding above the mountains offers a bird's-eye view of this picturesque panorama. unwind in cozy lodges, and indulge in warm Georgian hospitality after a day of adventure. Gudauri not only satiates your appetite for excitement, but also offers moments of serenity and connection with nature. Embrace the heights of Gudauri, where the call of the mountains and the rush of adventure create memories that soar beyond imagination. Number 4. Ushguli. Nestled in the heart of Georgia, Ushguli stands as a testament to the country's rich history and breathtaking landscapes. As you wander through this ancient mountain village, you'll be transported to a world untouched by the hustle of modern life. Cradled by the towering peaks of the Svaneti region, Ushguli offers a captivating blend of history and natural beauty. Cobblestone streets wind their way past centuries-old stone towers, each whispering tales of the past. For adventure seekers, hiking trails abound, leading you to panoramic viewpoints that seem almost surreal in their beauty. Don't miss the chance to savor hearty Georgian cuisine, a taste of tradition that warms both heart and soul. In Ushguli, time slows down, allowing you to appreciate the simple joys of life against a backdrop of awe-inspiring grandeur. Whether you're exploring the medieval architecture or basking in the shadows of snow-capped summits, Ushguli promises an experience unlike any other. Discover a realm where history and nature converge, and where the echoes of the past resonate in every step. Number 3. Mtskheta. Amidst the tranquil banks of the Mukvari and Aragvi rivers, Mtskheta stands as a living testament to Georgia's rich history and cultural legacy. This ancient town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts architectural gems like the Svetitskovli Cathedral, a masterpiece of medieval design that echoes with centuries of devotion. Gudauri Monastery, perched atop a hill, offers panoramic views that frame the confluence of two rivers. Mtskheta isn't just a relic of the past. It thrives as a vibrant hub where tradition meets modern life. Streets lined with craft shops and bustling bazaars invite you to immerse yourself in the colors and flavors of Georgia. Step into Mtskheta, where history's echoes reverberate through cobblestone alleys, and where every corner tells a tale of the nation's journey through time. Experience Mtskheta's timeless allure as it unveils the tapestry of Georgia's past, interwoven with the vibrancy of contemporary culture. Number 2. Kazbegi. In the shadow of the mighty Mount Kazbegi, the serene town of Kazbegi invites you to a realm where nature's grandeur takes center stage. Nestled in the heart of the Caucasus Mountains, Kazbegi's landscapes are a masterpiece of untamed beauty. The Kakheti Trinity Church, perched like a sentinel on a hill, offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding peaks and valleys. For adventure seekers, the region presents a canvas of outdoor activities, from exhilarating hikes to the Kakheti Glacier to the tranquil shores of the Gudauri Reservoir. Kazbegi's charm extends beyond its landscapes. The warmth of local hospitality is felt in cozy guest houses, where traditional Georgian cuisine awaits to tantalize your taste buds. As you breathe in the crisp mountain air and soak in the awe-inspiring vistas, Kazbegi whispers tales of ancient mountains and contemporary exploration, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Discover the majesty of Kazbegi, where nature's wonders and human connection intertwine in a symphony of beauty and adventure. Number 1. Tbilisi. Nestled along the banks of the Kura River, Tbilisi beckons with a captivating blend of old-world charm and vibrant contemporary energy. Meandering through its labyrinthine streets, you'll uncover a treasure trove of history, from the ancient Narikala fortress that overlooks the city to the quaint sulfur baths that have soothed weary travelers for centuries. Tbilisi isn't confined to its past. It's a bustling metropolis that pulses with life. Modern architecture gracefully mingles with cobblestone lanes, and the bustling Rustaveli Avenue offers a window into the city's dynamic cultural scene. Culinary delights await at every corner, where traditional Georgian dishes harmonize with international flavors. From the bustling bazaars to the peaceful banks of the river, Tbilisi seamlessly weaves the threads of its storied past into the vibrant tapestry of its present. Embark on a journey to Tbilisi, where the echoes of time resonate alongside the beat of contemporary life, creating a truly enchanting urban experience. We do hope you enjoyed our journey to the beautiful Georgia. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok and Threads. Visit www.scenichunter.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to The Scenic Hunter for another exciting adventurous journey. Until then, it's goodbye from us.